Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Tanner Kurz, and I'm starting a new business called Destination Chiropractic. So this is an introductory video, just introducing myself and my business as well. So I'm a doctor of chiropractic, specifically a neurological chiropractor. So what I assess is your nervous system by finding where the root cause issue is, which are misalignments of the bone, putting pressure on your nervous system, disconnecting the nerves that run throughout the body to the brain. Once I find that, I use a very gentle and specific adjustment to realign the bones, connecting the nervous system to the brain so we function better. Now, why did I start Destination Chiropractic? And it all goes back to my love of the outdoors. As you can see here, there's a deer head behind me because I love hunting, fishing, hiking, anything to be outside, that's where I want to be. And with any outdoors adventure, you have to be prepared. You have to have a good starting point and a good ending point and a couple check points throughout in between. So my idea about Destination is we have to come up with a great goal and a start about where we're at. We have to be realistic about where our health is at. Set some really attainable goals, and throughout the healing process, which sadly is not point A to point B, a straight line, it's peaks and valleys. I will be your guide along that trail so that we can get to the end goal of optimal function and for you to start feeling and moving fantastic. So stay tuned. I'm really excited to show you a lot of the build out. We're about 2 weeks in right now, and also our grand opening is going to be April 20th, hopefully, fingers crossed. And my address right now is 808 Fort Worth Highway, Suite 110 in Weatherford, Texas. So look forward to seeing y'all at the grand opening. Have a wonderful day, and remember, we're Destination Chiropractic, where we make your health our destination.